Should you buy or sell your home in 2023? Are you wondering if you should buy buying a home in this market? The short answer is yes, and for many reasons. And if there are buyers, that means you should want to sell in this market too. Hello, my name's Selland with Signet Mortgage, and in this message, I'm going to share 3 primary reasons for buying and for selling your home in 2023. Rising property values. Let's begin with that big one, is the rising property values. Interest rates are not the only thing that's increased over the past year. Home values have continued to increase as well. The reason is simple: lack of inventory, supply and demand, and it's not going to catch up anytime soon. Yes, there's still a housing shortage, and one of the primary benefits of owning a home is that over time, increased home equity can add to your net worth and give you potentially a low-cost source of cash as needed. I like investing that cash into home improvements or sometimes another property. The ability to build equity is what sets home ownership apart from renting, which has zero return on investment. Fixed housing costs. One of the best ways to control your expenses into the future is by fixing your housing cost. Housing shortage is not just for people who are buying a home, it's for people who are renting a home too, because that means rents jump up and will continue to increase with the market. So when you buy a home and lock in your mortgage payment with a fixed rate mortgage, you are fixing your and controlling your housing cost and controlling your monthly expenses. It's very valuable. Say you start out shortly after you're out of school, whether that's a trade school or a college or whatever, you expect your income to improve as your career progresses. That means your housing costs become even more affordable over time. The third thing is you control what you do when you own your own home. Means that you get to do exactly what you want to do. Do you want a puppy or a kitten? That is difficult to find when you're renting. What about turning your basement into a man cave or an exercise gym? You can do that. You want to put a swimming pool or a hot tub in your backyard? Again, you can do that. Even if you want to raise chickens, you may be able to do that too. Owning your own home means that you get to build your home the way you want it, just the way you want it. You may be wondering if it's wise to buy a home when home prices are high, because maybe they could drop. It could mean a net financial loss for those who buy at the peak of the market. You got an absolutely valid question. However, what we've been seeing in most markets and what many experts agree on is a housing crash is highly unlikely. Again, supply and demand. For a crash to occur, the supply and demand situation would have to flip upside down from where it is, and with more inventory existing than the number of buyers, that's just simply not happening. There may be some markets across the country that have seen kind of an artificial jump in appreciation over the last couple of years, and these markets may see some market corrections. But if you're buying in that community that has consistent growth and a robust economy, you'll be confident in your purchase for the long term. The demand for homes will remain with us for a long time, especially as first-time buyers re-enter the market this year to get their shot at owning a home. The first step to entering the market, whether you are buying your first home or selling your first home, is to verify your home buying eligibility with us. The bottom line is that as long as your finances are in order, your job secure, you can afford the monthly payments, and you're working with a skilled real estate agent, you'll remain in place for at least a few years. You'll look back and recall that it was the best thing you did to buy a home in 2023. Thanks for watching. My name is Selland with Signet Mortgage, and if there's anything I can do to help you find out how much you're eligible for and qualify for, please just get in touch with me at the contact information listed below. I'd be honored to help you get into a new home in 2023. Take care.